Welcome back to Innoven Foods. Today we are baking a soft, healthy and eggless atta cake. It's made with whole wheat flour, curd and just the right amount of sweetness. A perfect tea time treat. In a bowl add half cup curd and 2/3 cup sugar. Mix until creamy. Atta cakes are one of the oldest Indian style tea cakes. They are first made as a healthier alternative to maida cakes. Using curd makes the cake naturally fluffy without eggs. Add 1/4 cup oil and whisk again. Now sieve together 1 cup atta, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder for flavor. Whole wheat adds a nutty flavor and keeps the cake moist longer. Now add 1/4 cup milk and mix well until smooth. Don't overmix the batter. Gentle folds keep it airy. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil and place baking paper. Pour the batter and spread some dry fruits on top. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Preheat your pan properly for even cooking. Cook for 30 to 35 minutes until the cake rises beautifully. Taste with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's done. Whole wheat flour is rich in fiber and iron. Curd adds calcium and good bacteria for digestion. You can replace sugar with jaggery for a healthier version. Your eggless atta cake is soft, moist and perfectly baked. Healthy, simple and delicious. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innoven Foods for more home-style bakes. Do you prefer your cake plain or with nuts on top? Tell us in the comments and share this recipe with someone who loves homemade baking.